Hello everyone, welcome to Dmvii highlights for November 11th, 2017. Keep in mind, stocks and strategies discussed here are for information only. Do not treat any information provided here as investment advice or recommendation. It is up to the individual investor to perform due diligence prior to investing in any company. And here are the symbols covered this week. Feel free to pause the video and look up the symbols to learn more about the underlying businesses. On the macro highlights this week, jobless claims reported. New jobless claims up by 10,000 to 239,000 this week. EIA petroleum status reported. Crude oil up 2.2 million barrels, gasoline down 3.3 million barrels, and distillates down 3.4 million barrels. Refineries operating capacity at 89.6%. Senate Republicans outlined their version of the tax plan, which is different from the House version. The proposition of pushing the corporate tax cut to 2019 spooked the market slightly. On the stocks highlights this week, Nvidia announced earnings this week with $2.64 billion in revenue. That is 32% year-over-year growth. And the GAAP EPS of $1.33. That is 60% year-over-year growth. They also increased their dividend by 7% to 15 cents per share. Nvidia expects fourth quarter revenue to be $2.65 billion plus or minus 2%, with GAAP gross margin at 59.7% with plus or minus 50 basis points. Nvidia stock price went up 3.57% this week. This week, Intel announced it will partner up with AMD by incorporating AMD's graphics chip in Intel's multi-chip module solution. We also found out this week that Raja Koduri, a former senior VP and chief architect of Radeon Technologies Group, will join Intel as the senior VP and chief architect of the new core and visual computing group. The result of these events will directly compete GPU market shares with Nvidia. AMD stock price went up 1.26% this week, while Intel stock price went down 1.64% this week. And this concludes this week's highlights. Share, thumbs up, and subscribe to support us here. Thank you for watching.